Welcome to episode 5 of the Stellaris system modding tutorial series, and today we are breaking from the tradition of the last 4 episodes because I am going to look at 2 different modding aspects. The first is going to be planetary modifiers, and the second will be how to turn an initializer into just a random system that you find around the map. Let's get started. Okay, so we are in the new system initializer, and what we want to do is there's a new line of code. Init effect, what this is it's a line of code that basically just tells the game, hey, we want to do something extra for this planet. And what we're doing is adding a modifier. The modifier I've chosen is terraforming candidate. And days -1 just means it'll add the modifier instantly. Now, if you want to add any other modifiers, you can just go to the planet_modifiers, which is in the Stellaris common folder. And as you can see, we have terraforming candidate. So to make an initializer for just a random system that spawns throughout the game, I'm going to adapt the new neighbor initializer. What I've done is got rid of neighbor initializer and added 3 little lines of code. And we're going to go through very quick. Usage, misc system init, which just tells the game that, hey, this is just going to be a random system. If you remember the first video in this series, we used custom empire, which tells the game that we want to use this initializer for custom empire. Or you can leave it blank like we did last episode, or last couple episodes, to just only allow it to spawn through initializers. Now, usage odds, I didn't know you could do little buttons like that. Usage odds, I just put base 10 because I want it to spawn. This just tells the game how likely is it to choose the system when deciding what systems to spawn. And max instances 2 just tells the game how often this, or what's the limit to the number of these times this initializer can be used. So what I have done is I've loaded up a largest galaxy. I'll do survey. Then if we look, we can do larger star. Oh, whoops! I forgot to hit save, and I had it up to 4 before. But we have 1 Roger star, which has the 4 quality minerals there, and a tumult. We have another Roger star. We have a 3rd Roger star with all the stuff, and we have a 4th Roger star. They all use the same initializer, but they're all very different. That just adds a little bit of variety to the game. And that is how you add modifiers through initializers, and how you make your initializers into random system initializers.